Our society is mostly affected by the pollutants, and our environment is also affected more pollutants. To purify this air, what we can do? The best way we can do is we can plant more trees. To overcome this problem, NASA has suggested some of the plants that can purify our air. We can keep these plants inside to our home, wherever our living area, bedroom and bathroom, in our balcony. We can keep all these plants and we can purify our air. It gives the best results to keep our air very clean, and it can remove the toxins also. Today we are going to discuss about those plants and what they will do actually. Hey guys, welcome to Garden Talk. The first plants we are going to talk about English ivy. English ivy make a wonderful bright light house plant. It can grow long and lush. The most important part of the English ivy care is light. Without enough light inside, ivy plant will become leggy and sickly look. And ivy does not like to be in a standing water, so make sure that your plant has an excellent drainage. The second plant is spider plant. One of the most adaptable of house plants and the easiest to grow also. This plant requires less watering. Before watering the plant, please check the soil condition. Do watering your plant when the soil is dry. The third plant is pothos. If you are a beginner in a gardening, my option would be better go with this plant because pothos care is very easy, and this lovely plant is an easy way to add some green in your home space. It can make great addition to all the places like living place, bathroom and your office room. The most important point is that they do not do well in direct sunlight. So go with the indirect sunlight. It's toxic to cats and dogs and children. So keep away from the children. The fourth is peace lily. You can bring that sort of ambience to your favorite room by growing peace lilies. They are easy to take care of and don't require a lot of light, and yes, it does the wonderful job to cleaning and purifying the air. Peace lilies have dark green leaves, creating a gorgeous contrast to the white flowers. If you want the flowers, then place it where it will receive bright and indirect sunlight. Now it's aglaonema. Aglaonema has a range of colorful leaves away from indirect sunlight, and it's suitable for all climatic zones. Watering your plant almost when it's dry out in between watering. We will talk about snake plant. Snake plant cleans air better than most other indoor plants do. It can absorb excessive amounts of carbon monoxide. It emits oxygen and filters other toxins from the air. A very low maintenance plant, and it will keep safe and healthy environment. If you are watching this video and you are not subscribed yet, please do subscribe and please do share to your friends also. Please do follow me in Facebook and Instagram as gardentalk.in. If you like this video, please share to your friends and comment, and we will see in the next video. Thanks for watching.